BZH here from BigZachsHouse. It's been a very long time since I've done an unboxing on camera. Like I promised everybody, it's about time that I step up and move on from my Hero 5 to the new GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. Definitely need to make an equipment upgrade if I'm going to get back into this and do this the right way. So I'm going to start the unboxing. I'm going to move the camera down a little bit. It's also been a while since I've actually edited a video. So going to get back into this again, and we're going to start off with the unboxing of the new GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. Alright, so let's get into this. So first thing I just want everybody to know is that I did purchase the GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition directly from GoPro, which is something that I have not done in the past. And I also mentioned to you guys that my channel is not monetized anymore. So it will be hopefully soon. So with that being said, GoPro right now is having a special for $350. You can buy the new Hero 9 Black with a 64 gigabyte SanDisk memory card, an extra battery, and a 1-year subscription to the GoPro subscription service. And that subscription service gives you, among a lot of other things, you get some discounts on accessories, discount on cameras, you get the cloud-based service. It's wonderful. It also gives you a full 1-year warranty on your GoPro, pretty much no questions asked. So if you break your GoPro, send it back to them, they send you a new one, no questions asked. It's great. I'm gonna post a link in the description box or in the video, and I'm also gonna make a pinned comment to support the channel. I have this link, it's my affiliate link. Feel free to use that link to buy yourself a new GoPro Hero 9. You can use it to get the subscription service and the accessories. Just follow the link and you'll get everything and you'll help support the channel. So let's get into unboxing this with that little plug there. It's not something I'm used to doing, but things have changed a lot since I started doing this channel. I wish it had these affiliate links in the past. So one thing that's different that I noticed about the Hero 9 that I've had other cameras, they used to come in like a little like acrylic display case or whatever. Now it comes with a nice case, so this is pretty cool. And here's the 64 gigabyte SanDisk that I'll be able to use with it. I mean, these things could be like 50 bucks just in and of itself if you're not going to get it on sale. We all know that when you're filming, sometimes you forget to charge your batteries, all different stuff. It's always great to have an extra battery. So you get an extra battery with this. And with the 350, not only are you getting all these extra things, I mean, right now I looked at Best Buy and Amazon. You'll be paying $400 for this GoPro. I got this for $350 along with the subscription service and the extra goodies, so that's great. They did send the memory card in this padded envelope, so that's good too. They definitely packed it very well. I got here very quick in just 2 days, so that was great. Right off the bat, here we go. Here's the Hero 9. Oh, this looks very, very nice. Your typical charging cable, all of them have been the same. Got your battery here, pretty standard. Couple mounts. The mounting screw. I do like this case. Definitely make it easy to just put it away, store it away, not have to worry about losing it. Any pieces. It says subscribe to GoPro here. All the manuals, how to do everything. I'm not going to go through that, you know, how this works. Everybody just throws this thing away anyway. So on to the actual GoPro. Looks beautiful. Oh man, I'm not used to this. A screen on both sides. This is nice. Wow. Can't believe I haven't bought a GoPro since the Hero 5. It's been that long. I guess I just haven't done that much filming. All the plastic here. This thing's awesome. When we were filming my last video, the one with the we'll call it the GoPro monster truck car that my son, he really wanted to have the screen facing him, and I had to explain to him, like, the screen's only on one side, buddy. You can't have it on both. So now you get a screen on both sides of the camera, which is great. You got the microphone here. Definitely different than what I'm used to for my GoPro. Here, let's see if we can play with these things. This is different mounts than what I'm used to too. It's all built in, which is great. You don't have to put an extra mount on this like you have had to do in the past. Even my Hero 5, while you could still use it directly out of the box like this, you had to put different type of mounts on it to get it to work with different things. So this is very convenient, having it all built into one thing. Just pop that up right that. Let's see here. Let me get the pop this off. I hope I'm doing this right. Oh, there we go. And this is where the battery is going to go, and the charger is right here as well, and also the memory stick. So it's all right here in this one area, nice and tight. So when the water gets in, now reading off some of the specs, I don't want to just read the specs to you guys. Here's the mode button over here, Hero 9 Black. I'm just going to read all the specs to you. That's something you can get right off the, right off the box yourself. But power button on the top, all built in. You don't have to worry about putting any extra cases on it. It's wonderful. I really like this case. It's super convenient just to have something like that. Here's the box. Some of my first impressions. I like to do my unboxing with first impressions. For me, I like to do a lot of just filming and uploading directly to the channel, not a whole ton of editing. I think that the best footage is when it's just raw footage. You just film, upload, and go. It doesn't have to go through any type of processing systems. Something that I promise to do with this channel going forward is some more live streaming. So this can do 1080p live streaming. So we're gonna give that a try. I also mentioned we're gonna do a lot of other things with my channel. I want to do some Lego stuff. My passions there are definitely Lego, some Funko, all kinds of different collectibles, do different things. I'm going to do a lot of different things to try out on the channel. This is the super photo, the webcam mode, and a lot of cool things. 20 megapixel still shots, slow-mo, obviously, everything right off the side of the box. I believe this one can go 33 feet underwater, which I think is 8 feet more than other ones, but it doesn't seem like 8 feet may be a lot. When you go in a swimming pool and you're down in the deep end, it's 6 to 8 feet. It's definitely, a lot further. You just don't realize it. So here we go. So we're gonna start getting, we're gonna get started using this. I got a lot of cool videos coming up. I'm gonna do a comparison. While it may not seem relevant, I think I'm in the same boat as a lot of people. I don't just buy every single new camera that comes out just for the purpose of buying it. I think it has to have a lot of new features to entice me to buy it. Just because it come out with a new model doesn't mean that it's worth spending an extra $300 to buy it. So I'm gonna compare this with my Hero 5 Black. See what the two are, the differences between the two are, how they compare to each other. Like I said, right off the bat, we got screen on the front, screen on the back. I like the mounting portion of this here without having an extra case to put on. Everything's in, seems really cool. So I'm excited to start using it, see what the battery life is like. They definitely come a long way. The subscription service is wonderful. I've already been using it. So a lot of cool things to come. There's gonna be some comparison videos. Please give the channel a like, subscribe, and definitely if you're interested in buying a new camera, I really hope that you'd use my link to do so. I'll also post an Amazon affiliate link in there as well. And we're gonna have a lot of cool testing. Anything you guys think we should do going forward with testing, comparisons, things you want me to do with the camera, please let me know. But I'm super stoked to start using this new camera. So thank you guys for watching, and let's more videos and get this thing rolling.